In today's video, I will share with you my experience from a very important part of this game of trading, I mean money management. At the beginning, I want to tell you that without money management, you will always, but absolutely always lose your money. In my opinion, and this is confirmed by my experience and results, money management is the most important skill that allowed me to start trading on the highest level. So, why is money management so important? With the good money management, you are always prepared to open a trade. You are always prepared to put the transaction. And why, you can ask, why it's so important? Imagine that you are playing on the market GBP/USD, for example, and you are convinced that you can make a good trade. You have done your analysis and know it will be a very good position. You have used a higher volume than usual because you were almost sure about this trade, and at the end the market finally went on a different way. And this is exactly how most people are losing money in the stock market, just because of the bad money management. All you had to do was to adjust the entry volume to your equity. And when the market did not go in your direction, just put another and another position. It's simple. So without correct money management, you can grow your fear about the market, like fear inside, very, very quickly. So with the proper money management, you are always safe, even if you make a mistake to open position in a wrong direction. Imagine that this gives you a great strength and peace of mind. This will make your trading, we can say, stress-free, which is very, very important in the long term. So what is also important, you can ask? Set your strategy with money management. Many people think that it is enough to learn a few rules, technical rules about the trading, like learn the most important entry patterns, Elliott waves, Japanese candle, etc. But they forget about the most important aspects of position, like entry size. Why do I think it's so important? Why do I think like this? You imagine like a trader need to know that traders will always make mistakes and put wrong position in the long period of time. And this is normal in the market, and this is not even kind of problem. But the problem starts when the entry volume is not adjusted to the amount of money you have. This kind of mistake generates a lot of stress and does not allow you to open next position. You can say even that it becomes dangerous because your margin in your account is going down and down and lower. So that is why you should always remember about the proper money management. And what is more, money management gives you peace of mind, we can say, and security. In the long-time trading, a calm head, we can say, and safety in trading are the most important elements for the long-term profit. All traders who make a big money in the market in a safety way can say that the most important thing is that safety. Why? Well, it's everything about proper money management. So every time I open my position, I adjust the volume to the right level money I have. It's the amount of free margin capital. I just call it that it determines how big position I can open in the moment, and after that how many position I can add to this setup. So I hope you understand me correctly and your trading will be more safety in the future. So if you want more tips like this about money management and different things and information about in general the market, just click the button subscribe and feel free to write many comments, and then see you in the next video.